What's the meaning of cremains? Cremains. Cremains.
Cremains. Cremains. Cremains is a portmanteau word, which means a combination of two words, cremated and remains. Therefore, cremains refer to the ashes left behind after a human or animal body has been cremated. During cremation, the body is subjected to high temperatures, and all organic matter is burned away, leaving only bone fragments. These fragments are further processed to create the final result known as cremains. The cremains can be stored in an urn, scattered in a meaningful location, or used in various memorialization methods.